Listen up, I'm gonna explain cryptocurrency using chickens. And if you don't get it, you're dumber than this chicken.
Fuck?
No offense, chicken, just facts. There's a village, 100 chickens. They all lay eggs. That's their money. Eggs money, got it? Good, let's go. Usually there's a farmer, he controls all eggs. Farmer takes fee, transfer 5 eggs, he takes 1. For security, more! You know what? Today I'll get 50 more chickens! And your egg's now worth less, because there's more inflation, get it? Exactly, chickens reacted the same way. And chicken said, screw the farmer, we'll do it ourselves. Created Bitcoin, but not from eggs. Virtual eggs in computer. Rules simple as doors. Step 1, maximum 21 million virtual eggs. Never more. 2, every chicken has notebook where written who is how much. 3, all chickens have same notebook. Chicken number 7 says, transfer 3 eggs to chicken number 42. Bam! All chickens wrote it simultaneously. Now interesting, chicken number 7 next day says, I didn't transfer anything.
You're lying! Here's record! Here's bird!
Can't cheat. Need to cheat 51 chickens simultaneously. And that's impossible. Well, almost. Details later. Keep moving. Okay, who writes in notebooks? Miners. Special chickens that all day solve puzzles. Mathematical. Complex. First chicken that solved gets new virtual egg. Reward. Cool, you think. But these puzzles eat more electricity than Argentina. Entire country. Millions of people. And here chickens with computers use more. For virtual eggs, Carl. Virtual. Now attention, price. 2010, 1 Bitcoin egg, 8 cents. Some dude bought pizza for 10,000 Bitcoin. Don't laugh! That pizza now worth $1 billion! Billion for one pizza. That guy's still crying. 2013, $1,000. 2017, 20,000. 2021, 69,000! Then 2022, crash! And now 2025, 100,000, up again! Think that's all? No! We have Dogecoin! And crazy chickens dancing!
Let's make our eggs!
Dogecoin egg with dog meme started as joke. Funny, right? Chickens laughed and $90 billion market cap for a joke, for a meme, 90 billion. Then chickens started selling pictures of eggs, NFTs, $1 million for picture that you can copy for free. And now, dark side. FTX, big exchange. Give us eggs, we'll keep safe. Billions of eggs! Founder spent it all on Bahamas. 25 years prison. Luna, 40 billion evaporated in 2 days. OneCoin pyramid, 4 billion stolen. So what do we have? Technology, genius, idea, revolutionary, math, perfect. But human greed turned it into casino. If you don't understand, don't touch, lay real eggs.
Bah!
At least you can eat them.